Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add printer in MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply follow these simple easy steps which will guide you through. So first of all, simply tap on the Apple icon on the top right hand side of the corner and tap on System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings, you need to scroll down and find the option called Printers and Scanners. Simply tap on that particular option, and after you do so, you will end up in this kind of interface. So here you can find an option called Add Printer, Scanner, or other stuffs like that. So once you're here, you can simply find options where you can type in the name of your scanner or printer and type the kind or which category it belongs to. And once you have filled in all the details that has been asked, you can simply tap on the add icon. Once you tap on add, you will be successful in adding a printer to your MacBook Air. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.